everybody. Sophie and I hope you're still staying home, staying safe and healthy. Today we are teaching you 2 steps. Normally we teach you just 1 step of the Irish jig per video, but we think that you're all ready to learn 2 for this video. So we'll be teaching you steps 4 and step 5 of the Irish jig, and as usual we'll break down each step and show you how to do it to music. Enjoy! Sophie is here to demonstrate step 4 and 5 of the Irish jig for us, and we are going to move right from teaching you step 4 to step 5. So for step 4, unlike steps 1, 2, and 3, you only do 1 cross kick hop back to 3/4 in the beginning. So let's get started with the right foot of the step, and you go cross kick, hop back 2, 3, 4, hop up and up and up 2, 3, 4, and back and back and back 2, 3, 4, kick, hop back and back 2, 3, 4, cross kick, hop back 2, 3, 4, and up and up and up 2, 3, 4, and back and back and back 2, 3, 4, kick, hop back and back 2, 3, 4. So that was the whole step 4, and Sophie transitioned from using her right foot right to her left foot. So Sophie just completed step 4 of the Irish jig, and now she's going to show us how to do step 5. So step 5 begins with 2 cross kick, hop back to 3/4, just like steps 2 and 3. So let's get started. Cross kick, hop back 2, 3, 4, cross kick, hop back 2, 3, 4, hop 1, hop 2, toe, knee, kick, hop back, and back 2, 3, 4. Cross, kick, hop back 2, 3, 4. Cross, kick, hop back 2, 3, 4. Hop 1, hop 2, toe, knee, kick, and back 2, 3, 4. So that is step 5. And that is the end of us teaching you steps in our Irish step dancing remote workshop. But please practice all of the steps and feel free to send me any videos of yourself that you have doing these steps. And if you'd like to learn new ones, please reach out to me individually. Now we're going to have Sophie do both steps 4 and 5 to some music.